Question number first. Triangle ABC given here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, in which area of triangle ABC is equals to 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is equals to 121 centimeter square. If EF is equals to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. We have to find BC. As we know by theorem, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF will be equals to BC square by EF square. Ratio of area of two similar triangles is equals to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, this condition will apply only when two triangles are similar. Put the value of area of triangle ABC, it is 64 by 121 is equals to BC square upon EF is 15.4. So here when we cross multiply, we get 64 into 15.4 by 121. So its whole square. So BC will be equals to root over 64 into 15.4 whole square divided by 121. So 64 will come out 8. It will be 15.4, and here it will be 11. 11 1 ja 11.4. 11.2 centimeter. The value of BC is 11.2 centimeter. Note it down. Here it is area triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा होगा, ये है DEF. Okay. Question number 2. Now in question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point 2. AB equals to 2CD. Here it is given that AB is parallel to CD. Given AB parallel to CD and diagonals of this trapezium intersect each other at O, and AB is equals to 2DC. This AB is equals to 2DC. Means AB side is bigger than DC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and triangle COD. To find area of AOB upon area of triangle COD. We have to find the ratio of these two, area of these two triangles. So first prove that triangle AOB and COD are similar. See here, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, this is vertically opposite angle. Angle COD, vertically opposite angles. This angle is equals to this angle. Angle OAB is equals to angle OCD. Is alternate angles because AB is parallel to DC. Similarly, angle ODC, OBA will be equal to angle ODC. It is also alternate angles. See, these angles are alternate and these angles are also alternate. Therefore, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD, it is by angle similarity. Therefore, area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD will be equals to AB square by CD square. But already here given AB is equals to 2 twice CD. So at the place of AB we can put twice CD whole square by CD square. Right here since AB is equals to 2DC. It will be 4 CD square by CD square. So it will be 4 upon 1. So ratio of areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD will be 4:1. We can write this like this. Area of triangle AOB ratio area of triangle COD is equals to 4:1. It is AOB. See here. If it is not visible to you, note it. Area of triangle AOB ratio area of triangle COD is equals to 4:1.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, area of triangle AOB, area of triangle अपॉन COD, उसके बाद से AB² क्यों लिखे हैं?
कल एक थ्योरम मैंने पढ़ाया था, उस थ्योरम में था कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होंगे तो उनके साइड का स्क्वायर के रेशियो के बराबर उनके एरिया का रेशियो होगा. If two triangles
अच्छा,
are similar, then ratio of their areas will be equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. कल जो
ओके सर।
थ्योरम पढ़े थे उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लिख सकते हैं.
ओके सर।
सर
बोलो.
सर
बोलो. हेलो. हाँ जी निखिल बोलो.
सर लास्ट में क्या लिखे हैं सर? चमक रहा है, नहीं दिख रहा है।
एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल
एरिया ऑफ
AOB.
ट्रायंगल।
एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AOB रेशियो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल COD. ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AOB रेशियो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल COD is equals to 4:1.
सर AB² के बगल में क्या लिखे हैं?
2CD स्क्वायर. AB is equals to 2CD गिवन है. यहाँ देखो AB is equals to 2CD, तो यहाँ 2CD का होल स्क्वायर हो गया. नीचे CD स्क्वायर है तो ये 4CD स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. नीचे CD स्क्वायर CD स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसिल्ड. इट इज 2CD का होल स्क्वायर. हो गया. हैव यू नोटेड इट?
यस सर।
यस सर।
यस सर, हो गया सर।
Now question number 3. In question number 3 a figure is given. Figure is given. It is O. Here it is given that ABC, DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Triangle ABC and triangle BDC are on the same base BC. To show area of ABC upon area of DBC will be equals to AO by DO. This is we have to prove. We will do here one construction. यहाँ एक कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखा जाएगा. यहां से इस पर एक परपेंडिकुलर हमने ए खींच लिया और यहां से इस पर एक परपेंडिकुलर हमने DF खींच लिया. तो AE perpendicular BC and DF perpendicular BC are drawn. क्या किया गया? A से BC पर एक परपेंडिकुलर खींच लिए और D से BC पर एक परपेंडिकुलर खींच लिया गया. नाउ प्रूफ. ध्यान से इस क्वेश्चन को देखना, क्योंकि जिस क्वेश्चन में भी थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन हो उसको अगर याद नहीं रखोगे तो यू कांट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन. You have to draw perpendiculars from the vertex A and D to the BC. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC will be equals to, use the area formula, 1 by 2 base into height. For triangle ABC, if you take BC as base, so its height will be AE, and when you take in triangle DBC base BC, then height will be DF. This 1 by 2 BC, 1 by 2 BC will be cancelled. You get AE upon DF. But we need the area of these two will be equals to AO by DO. Now take these two triangles. In triangle AEO and triangle DFO, angle AEO is equals to angle DFO is equals to 90 degree each, and angle AOE is equals to angle DOF are vertically opposite angles. So in both the triangles, two angles are equal. See here, in triangle AEO, in triangle DFO, two angles, these angles are vertically opposite, and this angle equals to this angle, right angle. So both the triangles will be similar. Therefore, triangle AEO will be similar to triangle DFO. It is by angle-angle similarity. And when two triangles are similar, we know that their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So here AE by DF will be equals to AO by DO. It is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, at the place of AE by DF we can put AO by DO. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC will be equals to AO by DO. It is proved. See this, if you have any problem, you can ask. Note it down. This is AE. Have you noted, students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now question number 4. If areas of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent. Here it is given that two triangles are here, ABC and DEF. Given that two similar triangles, areas of two similar triangles, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. We have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. We improve since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. As we know that when two triangles are similar, then area of their ratio of their areas will be equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding side, AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, and AC square by DF square. But area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. It is given. Therefore, these both will be cancelled. 1 is equals to AB square by DE square is equals to BC square by EF square is equals to AC square by DF square. All the ratios will be equal. This implies that AB square is equals to DE square, BC square is equals to EF square, and AC square will be DF square. See here, all the ratios are equal to 1. It means all the sides will be equal. Means their square will be equal. Therefore, their sides will be equal. AB is equals to D. BC is equals to EF. And AC will be equals to DF. As we know that when all the sides of two triangles are equal, then triangles will be congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle DEF. By which congruency? By triple S congruency. Means all the sides of two triangles are equal. So triangles will be congruent. So note it down.
वन कहाँ से है? वन
इसका एरिया इसके एरिया के इक्वल है ना,
यस
तो
सर
ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा,
ठीक
दोनों इक्वल हो गए।
ओके सर।
आज मैंने फिर रुकना
अभिनव अभिनव पीछे हो रही है, तुम्हारे पीछे अभिनव राय।
हाँ सर बोलिए। हाँ बोलिए सर।
माइक म्यूट कर लो जरा, म्यूट कर लो अपने को। यस,
ओके सर।
ओके।
नो सर प्लीज।
नो सर।
Now question number 5th. Given that in a triangle ABC, DEF are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. DEF given here. DEF are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, and CA. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. To find the ratio of area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DE, we have to find the ratio of area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. ये उल्टा हो गया है, इधर DEF होना चाहिए, इधर ABC. And this will be ABC. See, we have studied one theorem that a line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Converse of Thales theorem. A line joining the midpoints of two sides, yeah, a line dividing the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that will be parallel to the third side. It means DF parallel to BC, EF parallel to AB, and this D will be parallel to AC. So we can write here directly कि since DE, TE and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA, Therefore, DF will be parallel to BC. D will be parallel to AC, and EF will be parallel to AB by converse of BPT. Therefore, देखो, see here, BDFE, in BDEFE, all the sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel. Similarly, in DCF, DECF, opposite sides are parallel. And in ADEF, opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, BDEF, DECF, and ADEF are parallelograms. We are getting here 3 parallelograms. DBEF या BDFE, BDFE, DECF, ADEF are parallelograms, and in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle A is equals to angle E, angle B is equals to angle F, and angle C will be equals to angle D. Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. तो सी है, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल हो गया, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल हो गया, और ये जो एंगल है इस एंगल के इक्वल हो गया. तो बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल के इक्वल हो गए. देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल DEF will be similar to triangle ABC. लेकिन ध्यान से देखो, यहां अगर लेते हो DEF तो उसी ऑर्डर में यहाँ क्या लिखना पड़ेगा. देखो D एंगल इक्वल है किसके, C के, तो यहाँ ट्रायंगल C लिखोगे. एंड E इज इक्वल्स टू विच एंगल, A, तो CAB बाई angle similarity. It is by angle similarity. Therefore, area of triangle DEF by area of triangle CAB will be equals to D square by CA square. But see here, what is the relation between D and CA? This D and E are midpoints of AB and BC, so this will be equal to half of the AC, यानी कि AC DE का दुगना होगा. तो हम लोग यहाँ लिख सकते हैं D स्क्वायर बाई 2D का होल स्क्वायर. This will be equals to D square by 4D square. So D square will be cancelled, so 1 upon 4. So what will be ratio? 1:4. Note it down. Very less time is there. Only nearly 3 minutes. तीन मिनट और है बेटा, जल्दी जल्दी लिख लो.
सर
Yes.
सर DEFE और फिर कॉमा DECF वहाँ से बताइए ना, नहीं समझ में आया.
हाँ यहाँ
यस सर.
BDFE देखो BDFE BDFE एक पैरेललोग्राम हुआ क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली
Equal.
DEF is a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel ADEF is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel वही लिखा हुआ
Okay, sir. Opposite उसके
इन
बाद से एंगल
quadrilateral
क्या लिखें?
हाँ opposite
एंगल
angles
क्या
of
लिखें?
parallelograms opposite angles of parallelogram are equal ये इसके इक्वल होगा ये इसके इक्वल होगा ये इसके इक्वल होगा see here
No, sir.
BDEF is a parallelogram तो opposite angles
एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल E के नीचे. हाँ.
opposite angles of parallelograms
यस सर ठीक
opposite angles of parallelograms
ऐसे एक 9th में भी क्वेश्चन
9th का भी थ्योरम है ये
सर लास्ट वाले लाइन में F है या E है?
1/4 ये है ना DEF by triangle CAB DEF by triangle CAB equals to D square by CA square DE by CA square इसका DE साइड लेंगे तो इसका CA लेंगे D square by CA square तो CA is double of D तो 2D का होल स्क्वायर होगा
ट्वेंटी